Hi, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic that is goal. It's a very important word for us and especially for the youth of the country. I was researching about this word goal and then came across dictionary meaning of this goal, which means limit, which also means barrier. That means that's all that it is. There's nothing beyond that, and that's what your goal is all about. I dug deeper and tried looking into different types of goal and came across a lot of academic versions of goals like 5 types of goal or 7 types of goal: performance goal, outcome goal, functional goal, process goal, whatnot. However, I think for you I have simplified it. I'm just going to talk about 3 types of goal, and I expect you to be keeping in mind. One type of goal is what I call it as crowning goal. Crowning goal is like a dome, like crown that you have got on something, and that it's got its interdose and extradose, like inner portion and outer portion, and then you can decorate them with a lot of things. This is the goal that is above everything, and that is something that would be always interested to be known as during your life, even after that. Integrity, honesty, service, those kind of goals that we have got. But these are like part and parcel and so much hidden and interwoven into everything that we have. We can't really see it happening in every action, but it is the most subtle component of all actions that you do. Your honesty, integrity travels with you wherever you go. The second type of goal, and I think that's more visible, is what I call as the Acme goal. Acme goal is like, is I would say as a capstone, shall we say? Like something was the highest point of your accomplishments, and there on which you can put that whatever dome that you have got, the crown that you have got. This is one goal that you have got, and this capstone on which the crown is to be placed, this is what we have got. Most of us are always striving towards. This goal can be your career goal that you have got. Some of you would like to fulfill your crowning goal by becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer, becoming an academician, becoming a lawyer, becoming an IS, IPS, IRS, IFS, whatever that you have got. This is what we call them as Acme goal, or shall we say capstone goal. And that is something which is what I like you to be always sensitive about in your mind, that yes, this action of mine is actually taking me to that, which may involve eating good food, which may also involve sleeping well, talking to your friend, because you are using all these activities to ultimately fulfill the objective for which you have been working. I suppose this is a more visible part of it. But the goal that I am actually interested in, and then I would like you to be sensitive about, and that is ADOBE goal. Pardon me my pronunciation, I'm talking about ADOBE. ADOBE goal that you have got. The clay through which you make the bricks, the small bricks that you put one over other, is what is one which I call it as the most important part of goal. Process goal, session goal, ADOBE goal, and that is the goal which is what is under your control. Please, whenever you sit down for studies or any action that you have got, try and see that I have got this action is linked to this and this. So if you have got your sessions, like your day is divided into so many sessions: studies, exercise, sleep, eating, socializing, everything, all of them at the end of it have the sensitivity or connectivity to the capstone and the crowning goal. If you have this sensitivity in every session of the day, I'm sure one day you will be actually known for which you have always thought to be known for. Of course, Acme goal is important. Of course, crowning goal is important, but it's the session goal that you have control on. My best wishes for using your time in an efficient manner.